So a simple and effective way to practice your yoga series every day in the morning is to start with 10 to 15 minutes every day. Namaskar, this is me Anuj Pareek, and today we are going to practice a simple and effective way to how to improve your forward bending. So let's get started. So we're going to start by coming onto our yoga mat, and first thing first, we're going to start by warming up our lower back. So for that, what you need to do, you're going to take your feet 1.5 feet distance apart. You're going to place both the hands on your waist, just around the waist. You're going to start rotating your hip from right to left. So you're going to rotate from right, forward, left, back, keeping both the feet firmly on the ground. So that is our whole goal. Just opening up the lower back. Slow movement. 5. We'll go very slow. 3, 2, and 1. Come in the center. Other side, we'll go from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come in the center, completely relax. Now the next thing which we need for our lower back is to open up by using some prop. A prop means with something to help you to improve your practice. You can start either with a block or books or anything which is more available to you. So I'm going to start with 2 pairs of yoga block. I'm going to place these 2 yoga blocks just right in front of my feet, one on top of another. I can adjust it according to my own need. I can start by putting vertical or horizontal. I'll start it like this. I'll place my palms just on the yoga block on the top of it. I will start putting my feet parallel to each other, and then I will bend my knees slightly by pushing the hips at the back. You're going to stay there, extend your spine forward. If you cannot reach over here, it's still very difficult. You can start putting 3 blocks or something which is more elevated. Stay there, lengthen the spine, keep your knees remain bent. Remember that. We'll stay 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's very good. Now you're going to do is hands on your waist and come up completely. We repeat the same thing with a wider angle of our feet. Take your yoga blocks on the front. Take your feet 3 to 4 feet distance apart. Hands on your waist. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, bend forward. Place your palms. Raise your chest up and exhale as much as you can bend. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, lift your chest up and hands on your waist and come up. Now, if that seems easier, you can start improving and follow up with me for the next posture. Now, I want you to progress here for at least 2 to 3 rounds initially to move on forward. In the next pose, you're going to keep your feet 3 to 4 feet distance apart, but we'll try to stretch the sides of the back, the erector spinae, which supports the spine, is a muscle which supports your spine from the each side, right to left. You're going to keep your hands on your waist, bend forward, reach both the palms towards the right side, either your ankle, behind the knee, or your thighs. Start bending forward towards your right knee. You don't have to force it, just stay and practice under your own limitation. 5, 4, 3, 2, and come up. Switch and change to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come in the center, hands on your waist, and come up again. That's good. You're going to move to the next practice by sitting down on the ground. So I have a bolster with me. You're going to put it on the center of the mat, sit on the ground, and straight your legs forward. Now see, for me, this bolster works, but if you don't have a bolster, you can use anything which gives you a slight bend in your knee. You can use your blocks, you can use the books, or anything which works and available to you. You can start by putting underneath your knees, taking your feet straight, pulling the leg towards you, and you're going to raise your arms up where palms are facing forward, and you're lifting your ribs towards the shoulders. Extend your arms up, keeping your chin free, keeping your neck relaxed, staying there. Now, length, length, length. You might find yourself over here, but that's okay. You can slowly progress length and start bending towards your toes. Okay, just try to not force it like here. Extension in your spine, shoulders are slightly rolled back, and breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you progress, you're going to take the bolster away from you. You're going to extend your legs forward. Same thing, extend your arms up. Exhaling, bend forward. Stay there. 1, chest up, and exhale down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very well done. Inhaling, come up and sit on the ground with the crossed legs. So that's good. That's very simple practice which you can apply in your morning routine or in your evening routine or whenever you get some time just for yourself to practice yoga. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video for some more movement and exercises for a beginner practitioner who recently come into yoga. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe and comment down what you would like to practice next. Thank you. Have a lovely day. See you again.